Hi children, how are you? You all are fine? I hope you all are fine. Are you happy for this online class? Are you happy for this online class? Okay, I hope you all are enjoying. Let's get back to our maths class. In the previous class, we have studied about numbers, name and numerals. Is there no children? Yes. The previous class we have to study numbers, name and numerals. Okay. In this class, we will study face value and place value. Okay. Face value and place value. What is the meaning for face value and place value? Face value means you see the already they are underlined one number, okay, that one is C, and take and write the face value place. Take and write the face value place. Then place value means we want to calculate, okay. First we find which number has in ones place or tens place, 100 place or 1000 place, okay. The number gets its place value according to the place it holds in a number, okay. The place value means according to the place it has in a number. The product of the digit and the value of its place give the place value of the digit, okay. The product of the digit is which one digit, okay. 4 digit means 4 digit number starts from 1000, 3 digit means 3 digit number starts from 100, 2 digit means 2 digit number starts from tens. Yes, tens and ones we want to read together. Then to write the number in the place value chart means we start from the right as 1 place and then proceed to the left as tens place. Then proceed to the left as 100 place. The last one proceed to the left side as 1000 place and so on. Okay children. 0 always has the same place value and face value. That is 0 wherever it may be position in the number, okay. The place value of 8 will be or something in your number. Shall we see the example? Okay. See the first one. The face value of a digit is the value of the digit itself, okay. இந்த நம்பர் அவங்க அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணி கொடுத்துருக்காங்களோ அதே நம்பரை எடுத்து நம்ம அப்படியே ஃபேஸ் வேல்யூ மீன்ஸ் முகமதிப்பு. நம்ம இப்போ ஒருத்தவங்களோட ஃபேஸை பார்த்தோன்னா அது ஓகே இவங்க இப்படி தான் இருப்பாங்க, இதுதான் இவங்க அப்படின்னு அவங்கள பார்த்து என்ன பண்ணலாம், கேல்குலேட் பண்ணலாம். அதே மாதிரி இப்போ ஒரு நம்பர் அண்டர்லைன் பண்ணியிருக்குன்னா இந்த நம்பரை பார்த்து அதை அப்படியே காப்பி பண்ணுற ஃபேஸ் வேல்யூ. ஓகே சில்ட்ரன். The place value of a digit is the value we get when we multiply the digit by its place in the given number. So the place value of a digit changes according to its place. Okay. இடத்துக்கு ஏற்றபடி numbers வந்து change ஆகும். Okay. If one number is 3, okay. 3 is in ones place, okay. 4, 7, 6. Okay, how many digit number? 4 digit number, okay. See the 3. Okay, first of all, see the 3, okay. The place value of the digit 3 in, the place value of digit 3 in which place? Ones places, ones, tens, 100 and 1000, okay. The place value of 3 in which place? 3. So, we want to write 3, okay. Now the place value was 3, okay. The place value of the digit 3 in which place? The place value of 3 is in which place? 3 in a place lama irukku, tens place la irukku. Yes or no? Yes. 3 means, so you want to write 30. Okay. So 3 is in 100 place means we have to write 300. Okay. 300. But the 3 is in 1000 place means we have to write 3000. Okay. Here 4 means 4 is in one place means 4. 7. We want to calculate the 7 means 7 is 100 place. So we want to write 700. Then 6 means 6000. 6 means 6000. Okay. Do you understand, children? Okay. Now we have to see some examples. Okay. Eight. Okay. Now the question is write the place value and phase value. Okay. Write the place value and phase value. First you want to write phase value. F-A-C-E, phase. Okay. V-A-L-U-E, value. Phase value. Okay, children. F-A-C-E, phase. V-A-L-U-E, value. Phase value. Then P-L-A-C-E, place. V-A-L-U-E, value. Place value. Okay, children. Phase value and place value. What is the spelling for phase value? F-A-C-E, phase. V-A-L-U-E, value. Phase value. Then place value. P-L-A-C-E, place. V-A-L-U-E, value. Place value. Okay. Now see the phase value. Phase value means you want to write the underlined digit number and bring to here, write the number. Okay. Which one is the underlined digit number? Which one is the underlined digit number? 4. Yes. In the number underline pannirukku 4. So you want to write 4 here. Okay. 4. Then place value. Okay. 4 is in which place? 4 is in which place? Ones place or tens place or 100 place? Ones, tens and 100. Okay. Place value. 4 is in tens place. So you want to write 40. Okay. This one tens place. Yes, tens place means you want to add 1 0. 4 means 40. 8 means 80 will come. Okay. 9 means 90 will come. 2 means 20 will come. Okay, children. Do you understand? Okay. Shall we see another one example? Shall we see another one example? Okay. Now 8. Okay. The first phase value, F-A-C-E, phase. V-A-L-U-E, phase value. Then P-L-A-C-E, place. V-A-L-U-E, value. Place value. Okay. Phase value and place value. Okay. Phase value means see the underlined digit number and take and write here. Okay, children. Which one is underlined? 8. So phase value is 8. Then place value. Then place value. Okay. 8 is in which place? 8 is in which place? Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Yes, children. Yes. Now 8 is in 100 place. Okay. So you want to write how many 100? 800. Okay. So you want to write 800 here. Now the underlined digit is 5 means what will come? 5. 5. Okay. Shall we change? 5 means 5. Okay. The face value. Okay. First we want to find the face value. Okay. The face value of the digit 5 is the face value of the digit 5 in 1000 place. Yes. The face value of digit 5 is 5. Then place value. 5 is in which place? 5 is in which place? 1000 place. Okay. 5 is in which place? 1000 place. So we want to write how many thousands here? 5000. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 530 means it is called 5000. Okay, children. Okay, third one heading. W or I T E, right. T H E D, W or I T E, right. T H E D, P L A C E, place. V A L U E, value. Write the place value A N D and T H E D F A C E, face. V A L U E, write the place value and the face value. W or I T E, right. T H E D, P L A C E, place. V A L U E, value. A N D and T H E D F A C E, face. V A L U E, value. Write the place value and the face value. Shall we read together, children? See the board and read with me, okay, children? W or I T E, right. T H E D P L A C E, place. V A L U E, value. A N D and T H E D F A C E, face. V A L U E, value. Write the place value and the face value. Okay, see the first one. 5483. Okay, the underlined digit number is 4. 5483. Okay, children. What is this number? This one 4-digit number. How do you read this one? 4-digit number starts from 1000. Isn't it, children? 4-digit number starts from 1000. Which number is underlined? 4. Okay. 5483 means first we want to write answer. Okay. A N S means answer. First we have to write place value. P L A C E, place. V A L U E, value. Okay. place value. The first one is place value. Okay, 4 is in which place? The place of the digit 4 is in which place? Ones, tens and 100. Is that no children? 100. Okay, now how many 100 is here? 400. So we have to write 400. Okay, then face value, FACE, face, VALUE, value, face value. Face value means we want to see the underlined digit number and take and write here. Is that no children? Yes. Okay, face value. Which one number is underlined? 4. So we want to write 4 here. Okay, place value and face value. The second one, I have no place, so I am writing there. Okay, you write one by one. Okay, I have no place, so I am writing there. Then the second one. Okay, the second one, 483. Okay, 483. Now we want to write the answer. First one, place value, PLACE, place, VALUE, value, place value and face value. Okay, place value. First we want to find the place value. Okay, which one is the underlined digit number? 3. Yes or no children? Which one is the underlined digit number? 3. Okay, so place value. 3 is in which place? Ones place. Yes or no children? 3 is in ones place. Okay, so we want to write the 3 only enough. Okay, then face value means see the underlined digit number and write the face value. And we want to write the face value. Okay, do you understand children? Okay. Then third, then the third one, $8,412. Okay, now we want to write the answer. Okay, first place value, PLACE, place, VALUE, value, place value. Okay, now we want to find 8. Okay, place value. 8 is in which place? Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Is that no children? Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. So want to write 8 is in which place? 1000 place. So 800. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then we want to find the face value, FACE, face, VALUE, value, face value. Okay, which one is the underlined digit number? 8. So you see the underlined digit number and take and write here. Okay, then fourth one, $379. Okay, the underlined digit number is 7. Want to write the answer. First we have to find the place value. Okay, shall I write that? 374. The fourth one. Okay, 379. The underlined digit number is 7. Now we want to write the answer. Okay. First, place value, P-L-A-C-E, place. V-A-L-U-E, value, place value. The second one is face value, F-A-C-E, face. V-A-L-U-E, value, face value. Okay, place value. First we want to find which one is the underlined digit number. See the board, which one is the underlined digit number? 7. Okay, place value. 7 is in which place? 7 is in which place? Tens place. Yes, ones and tens. So tens means what will come? 70. Then see the face value. Which one is the underlined digit number? 7. So you want to write 7. Okay. Do you understand, children? Okay. Now all of you take your max class work note. Now all of you take your max class work note. All of you take a max note with your stationery things. That means scale, razor and sharpener. Is your pencil sharp, children? Your pencil is not sharp means first of all of you sharp your pencil, then you start to write. Okay. Write the place value and the face value. Okay. All of you take a max note. I hope you have taken the class work note. You have to write the words after the margin line. First of all of you should write today's day and date. First of all of you write today's day and date. Then you start to write W-R-I-T-E, write T-H-E-D, P-L-A-C-E, place, V-A-L-U-E, value, A-N-D, and T-H-E-D, F-A-C-E, face, V-A-L-U-E, value. Write the place value and the face value. If you complete the heading means leave one finger space and write the first one question. Okay. Write fast and write neatly. Okay. Write what is on the board. See the board and write neatly without any one mistake. Okay. Copy the classwork from the board. Use only a pencil to write. Use only a pencil to write. Okay, children. See the board and write fast. Write fast, ma. All of you have written? I hope you have completed the classwork. Now all of you take your maths book, page number 11. Book page number 11. All of you take your maths book, page number 11. Have you taken, children? Exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. Right nearest to the exercise 1.2, homework. Homework, okay? Book page number 11 is today's homework. First of all, mention today day and date. Write homework, okay? See the first one heading. WRITE, right? THED, PLACE, place. VALUE, value. AND, and. THED, FACE, face. VALUE, value. OF, of. THED, UNDE, or. LINED, underline. DIGITS, digits. Write the place value and the face value of the underlined digits. See the first one. What is this number? See the first one. What is this number? 6262. Yes or no, children? 6262. Which one number is underlined? 6 is underlined. Yes, they are underlined in 6. First box is face value. FACE, face. VALUE, value. Face value. Face value means you see the number, you see the underlined digit number and take and write the face value. Okay. Then place value means you see the underlined digit numbers. 6 is in which place? 6 is in which place? Tens places. Are now, children? 6 is in tens place. So the place value chart you have to write 60. Okay. 60. 60 is called 60. Then see the next one. 7455. 7455. Which one number is underlined? 4. Okay. The face value is 4. The place value is 400. 4 is in which place? 100 places. Are no, children? Yes. Okay. So we have to write 400. 400 is called 400. Then see the second. WRITE, write. THED, PLACE, place. VALUE, value. OF, of. THED, UNDE, or LINED, underlined. DIGITS, digits. SHOWN shown, a GAINST against, THEIR TAIORS pairs of, NUMBEORS numbers, ALSO also, MENTION mention, WHETHER whether, IT it, IS is, SAME same, ORR, DIFF, ERENT different, ONE1, HAS has, BEEN been, DONE done, FOR for YOUU. Write the place value of the underlined digits shown against the pair of numbers. Also mention whether it is same or different. One has been done for you. Okay, see the A question already they given the answer. Yes or no children? The underlined digit number is 7. A. Okay, 7. 7 is in its place, 7,000. Then another one number is 7,000. The second number also is in 7 place, 1,000 place, yes. So we have to write 7,000, 7,000, 7,000. So the next place, next box we have to write same. Yes, SAME same. Okay, then see the second one, 8,374. Yes or no children? 8,374. Which number is underlined? Which number is underlined? 8. Yes or no children? Yes. Okay. 8 is in which place? 1,000. So the first box you write 8,000. Then see the second one. Okay. 6,285. 6,285. Which number is underlined? Which number is underlined? 8. Is or no children? Yes. Okay, 8 is in which place? 8 is in tens place. Okay, so you write 8 tens. Okay, 8 tens. And numbers you have to write 80. Okay, the first line is 8,000. And another box 8 tens. It is same or different? Different. Okay. So you write the green color box different. DIFFERENT different. Then see the third one. Circle the pairs which have the same place value for the given digit. Circle the pairs which have the same place value for the given digit. First, A means 9, yes. Where is it in 9? You just underline. Which number has the same place value means you should circle the option. Okay. See the fourth one. In each pair, circle the numbers which has a lesser place value for the given digit. In each pair, circle the number which has a lesser place value for the given digit. See the numbers and underline where is it in 3, where is it in 1, where is it in 2, where is it in 7. Okay. Then you find which is a lesser place value for the given digit means circle the number, okay, which has a lesser place value means you circle that number for each of the following. Okay, children. Then the fifth one, in each pair underline the number which has a greater place value for the given digit. Okay. Each pair means A லையும் find பண்ணனும், B ல find பண்ணனும், C ல find பண்ணனும், D லையும் find பண்ணனும். Okay, children. In each pair underline the number which has a greater place value. Place value find பண்ணி இது greater place value அதை என்ன செய்யணும் underline பண்ணனும். Okay. Do you understand, children? Exercise 1.2 book page number 11 full is today homework. Do you complete yesterday homework? I hope you completed. Okay children, next one we will see the next class. Take care, you have to eat more vegetables and fruits, okay? You have to eat the energy foods, okay? Take care of your health. Bye children.